Hey guys, Nabyar here for Good Game Grabs, and we are chilling in the game room, and we're also chilling with the Game Boy that we got from the mountains for a couple bucks. Literally a couple bucks. If you guys haven't checked out the video, please check it out. But we are going to do a restoration to this bad boy. I have to be honest with you guys though, I am not into electronics. Like, me and electronics don't agree. I'm more of a mechanical guy, so this should be really interesting. Let's go. So we're down here in the dirty dungeon, about to dive into it. I just want to show you guys the current situation going on with the Game Boy, and we're going to go from there. I've watched a couple tutorials on what to do and how to solve the problems that it has. So hopefully it all works out. Let's check it out. Right off the bat, you guys can see that the battery cover is broken. So there's the little piece that's actually jangling around right in there. You guys can't really see it. I'm also trying not to lose batteries right now, but we're going to go ahead and put in our batteries. And our black bass fishing game, which is a classic if you guys haven't played it. Played that a lot on my Game Boy Pocket that I still have. And nothing. Okay, let's check it out. Upon closer inspection, we have some corrosion there. So we're gonna clean this off. And now we have clean terminals, clean-ish terminals, clean enough until we get it all disassembled, take everything apart and do our thing. If you guys are wondering, it was just vinegar and a little toothbrush. Nothing crazy. It's usually what I do to clean all my battery terminals and stuff. So, all right, let's see if we get it to turn on. All right, guys, we have screen. It doesn't look great, but it doesn't look terrible, is how I would describe it. I'm trying to give you guys the best view of it. I don't think we have sound, do we? Okay. We might not have sound. Our volume is all the way up. Okay, we seem to be frozen now. So we're definitely going to dive into this and see what we can do. So now with our game removed and batteries removed, I believe it's just these 4 small Phillips screws. This one has so much dust in it that you can't even see the top of it. That one is getting close. But yeah, let's go ahead and grab our screwdriver and get to work on this. I'm going to set you guys up on the tripod. Guys, I'm not joking. This might have been outside at one point in time. Like, in the mud outside. Okay, so first impressions is this board looks rough, and I'm a little scared right now. We're gonna have to reference back to a YouTube video that we saw and sort of make sure that we're taking the right steps to clean this guy because again, I don't do this stuff, so bear with me, guys. We're gonna go through this learning process together. So upon further inspection, I am even more terrified. So let's go ahead and start taking the boards apart from the plastics and really getting down to cleaning the plastics and the boards. So at this point, we're going to plug some batteries back in, plug the ribbon cable back into the other side of the board, and see if we can fix the scan lines with a soldering iron. Wish me luck. Now we're not getting anything. Oh no. This is not good, guys. Yeah, as you guys can see, nothing shows up now. I think we're just going to go ahead and clean the heck out of this thing and see what happens. Okay, now that we have everything down to bare plastic, we're going to actually clean them like in a tub, in my, well, I have a basement tub that we use for projects like this. But yeah, we're going to clean it in the tub and air dry it really good with the air compressor, and then probably clean the boards with isopropyl alcohol and see where we get. Okay, so we just got back from the garage. We took the air compressor to the case, and honestly, I think it's looking better already. I mean, you tell me, guys. Right? I mean, come on. Not bad. All right, let's get to cleaning the board. So with both boards generally pretty clean, as good as we could get them anyway, we're gonna go ahead and reassemble it to the point where we can at least plug the ribbon cord back in and see if we get any more response. When you're putting on the backside, don't forget the power switch. It's a good thing to not forget. I got it all together. Forgot to put that in there. Another little note on these little tabs for the battery terminals. Make sure to get that little piece pushed back in so it clicks into place whenever you put those back in the backside. Okay, and we're all back together on this side. Terminals are secured and looking good, fairly clean. Let's work on this side. Okay, so batteries are in, game is in. Let's see if it's any better. Blank screen, not even 2 lines this time. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, back to the drawing board. Okay, just kidding, the contrast was all the way down. We're still not getting any sound though. I would like to fix these lines, these vertical lines that you guys can barely see. We're gonna work on those with our soldering iron over here against this ribbon. Okay, that side literally has a tiny sliver on it, and this one is looking better. We're getting close. We're getting close. Okay, we got the left side fully good, but that right side has that little guy left. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera. I know there's a lot of glare, I'm sorry, but there's literally just a tiny gap. Wish me luck. Okay, mission complete. If you adjust the contrast, everything looks good, no weird lines. I am super happy because this was probably the hardest thing on this entire project. Let's get to cleaning up these buttons, and well, we also need to research what's going on with the sound. So let's do that. If we can't come up with a good solution quickly, then maybe we'll just assemble it all together and worry about the sound later. I'm super happy with the progress so far. Have you guys ever seen a gaming headset hooked up to a Game Boy? Well, you have now. So we are getting sound through the headphones. That means there's something going on with this that is making the contact, the loop, stay connected so it doesn't send sound to the speaker, because whenever a headset is plugged in, it will not send sound to the speaker. So let's figure out and probably just clean this out and see what's going on with it. Oh, what's that? Sound through the speaker? You better believe it. Let's go, baby. So happy right now, guys. I'm so happy that everything's coming together on this. Yeah, you can't really see it, guys, but there's a little tiny piece in there. You're not going to be able to see it. But whenever you plug a jack into there, you'll see the piece move. And it was just corroded. So a little bit of vinegar down in there with a little bit of toothbrush action. Good to go. Okay, buttons and all the contacts ready to go. And we're going to work on getting a new screen on here. And yeah, I think that's it really. And then get everything back together. Not really working, guys. I think we're gonna have to go with the scraping method. And we have the board elevated so we don't hit the buttons on the bottom. Just a little tip for you guys so you don't bust out the buttons while you're putting the board back in. Because guess what? I did it. So now, if some of you are wondering, I like the patina of this Game Boy so far. I don't know if we're going to retro bright it, and some of you are probably crying a little bit inside and saying, why not retro bright it? I mean, I just don't think it needs it. I really don't. After it cleaned up, I think it cleaned up really nicely. Maybe we'll do retro bright on another Game Boy restoration sometime in the future, or we'll do it on a older console. Who knows? Also, for you guys wondering, I got a replacement screen for the Game Boy off of Amazon, I believe it was, like 10 bucks. Super affordable, super cool.